Welcome to our short discourse on blogging. Now, blogging is said to be a Web 2.0 tool that can be utilized in the teaching and learning process as a form of allowing students and teachers alike to express their opinions on certain matters. So, when we think of a blog, it is sometimes referred to as an online personal journal, and it is basically designated for individuals to write about maybe his or her daily experiences, or most times illicit thoughts, and allowing others to leave their comments. So it brings about a level of discussion. Also, with a blog, it comes from the word weblog. Now, it is said that a blog is a discussion or informational site that is really published via the World Wide Web. Now, for this class, we'll be using one of the many tools that are out there for blogging, and the one that we'll be using is called Blogger. So I'm going to go ahead now, and in my address bar, I'm going to type blogger.com. When I type blogger.com, you will be asked to log in. You can use your student ID, pardon me, not your student ID, your student email address to log in. So it's going to be whatever your name is at stu.ncu.edu.jm. In my case here, I'm using damien.mitchell@ncu.edu.jm. You'll specify your password, the same one you use to log into your email, and then click on sign in. When you click on sign in now, you'll be asked to create your blog. So I'm going to go ahead and create a blog. So I'm going to go ahead and say new blog. So you click on new blog. Alright, so I was right here, new blog. Okay. When I go to new blog, it's going to ask me to give a title for my blog. So for this, I'm going to call it Technology and Learning. Okay. There's a general blog on technology and learning. And then for this, for the address, I might just call it Damien Tech. Alright, so damientech.blogspot.com. So that's the URL that you can give to others to go directly to your blogging site. Now, next, we are allowed to select a template for our blog. I'm going to go ahead and select I'm going to select the picture window type. It could be anyone, it's really your style. So I'm going to click on the picture window, and then the final step is I'm going to click on create blog. Now it's now in the process of creating that blog for me. When that is done, you will see technology and learning. Your blog has been created. You can go ahead and start posting. So I'm going to go ahead and click start posting. Now, when I click on start posting, I am now able to have my first entry on my blog site. So here I'm going to talk here, my title of my post, I'm going to say basic computer overview. Alright, so that's a title. So you give a title for your blog right here. That's a title for your blog, this area. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and say, just type something here. The 4 basic components of every computer system, shorthand system, are, I'm going to say 1, but I can use my numbering. So I'm going to say 1, input, output, processing, storage. Alright, so now I'm just typing basically anything you want to type. So now that and it's almost like you're in Microsoft Word. So you first, remember, you specify a title for your blog, for this particular blog entry rather, and then you can now type whatever you want to type here. What if I want to insert an image on my blog? Because as a part of your the requirements for your assignment, you are asked to use images and even videos if you can find them. So I'm going to show you how you go about entering an image. So on the standard toolbar here, right here, that this arrow beside link, you'll see insert image, insert a video, insert jump break, which is almost like a page break. So I'm going to go ahead and say insert image. When I go to insert image, I'm going to say, okay, where do I want to find this image? So I really have no images here, so I'm going to go from URL, and I'm going to go now images.google.com. Okay, hold on. Alright, I thought I could go. Alright, so maybe I'll just choose one from my machine for now. So I'm gonna go to pictures. Alright, and I'm going to just select one of the sample photos. Alright, it's in no way related, but I'm going to use this guy here, Koala. Alright, so now what we're doing is uploading an image, and then I'm going to add this image to my blog. And you can actually always change the size of your image. You can move your image around, etc. So I could go small, so I have the image like this. Alright, so basically on my blog page now, I have typed some information, added an image. You can add as many images as possible. What if I want to have a video, for example? I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to go to insert a video. Alright, when I go to insert a video, I think I still have this. So from YouTube, this is a link I just created. So I'm going to go select this from YouTube. Okay, I'm not seeing the exact one. Okay, alright, I thought that was the link. Alright, I'll just select anyone right now. Alright, so I'm going to use this one, this video. I'm just going to say select. So you select the video. The video now will be included on your blog, and when you're done, you can have several videos, several text, several images rather, on your blog. Now when you're through entering your text, then you can always apply your styles to it. So you can change your font size, you can change your font, you can do color if you need to, so it looks like a blog. Alright, when you're done with this now, you can basically click on save. Alright, so it will go ahead and save this. Then before you publish, you can click on preview to see what it will look like. So it is saying on my blog page, this is what this page would look like. So now you'll see the heading of that entry, the subheading on the page, my information, my image, my video, and then persons can go now and leave their comments on your blog, because that's a part of the discussion. So in a classroom setting, a student, it could be used as a study forum. The teachers or teacher could use this as a means of getting information from their students, just to have a little discussion going on a particular topic. When you're done, you'll click on publish. Alright, so after you click on publish, so we're in the preview. Alright, let me just go back here and click on publish. So when you click on publish now, under the technology and learning, you should see that I have one post. Alright, enter. So I can always just click on this post and it takes me here, and then I can always preview to see what it's going to look like from the outside. Alright, so if you remember, my address was damiantech.blogspot.com. So if I were to now go to the URL and type, for example, damiantech.blogspots.com. So if I go there now, did I enter the right address? Hold a moment, let me just double check my address. Okay, let's go back. Alright, so I typed the wrong address, so it's damientech.blogspot.com. And when you go there now, this is my blog for technology and learning. And as you enter a new topic, a new idea, and a user comes to your page, they can look at the blog archive and navigate accordingly. So that's quite easy. Let's just go back to the blog area for a moment. Just one moment. Let's just go back here. Now, when I'm on the blog itself, if I want to, so I'm going to go to posts, all posts. Now, if you want to delete a particular entry, you go to posts, all, and then you put a check mark just like an email and click on the recycle bin or the bin to delete. Alright, and then that's basically it, how you would if you want to remove that particular entry. So as it relates to blogging, really, that is it. You go to blogger.com, sign in with your NCU email address and password. Afterwards, you go to new blog, create your blog, give it a name. Your first name, Technology and Learning. I could have called this Damien's Technology and Learning Hub or something creative. After that is done, you go to new post and then you type whatever you want. You click on preview before you publish, and when you're satisfied with what you have seen, you go ahead and you say publish. Alright, and I have also uploaded some information on the learning management system that also gives the steps in doing this. So I hope that will help you as it relates to not just your assignment, but applying this technology in your classroom and in your overall experience. Thank you.